Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. App installed, permissions granted, and your device mounted solidly. This prevents drift. Next, set camera to manual or aperture priority so exposure stays consistent, otherwise brightness will jump between frames. Once done, open the Intervalometer app, create a new session, and enter your interval, exposure, and total shot count. Use digits like 5s or 200 shots for clarity. Make sure to save the session. This ensures settings won't change if the app closes. Once the basic session is saved, configure mid-process settings that affect results. You should set a start delay so you can stabilize the rig, and turn on interval variability only if you need organic timing, otherwise leave it off. Make sure RAW or highest quality capture is enabled to preserve detail. Also engage airplane mode to avoid interruptions. After that, run a short 10-20 frame test to verify timing and exposure. If frames look uneven, adjust exposure smoothing or interval length and test again. You finish by starting the session and monitoring battery, free storage, and device temperature periodically. Stopping early if overheating will save your project. Once complete, stop the run within the app, verify every file opens, and import into your time-lapse editor. Stabilize and color grade as needed. If frames are missing or times are off, troubleshoot by checking app permissions, disabling battery saver or background limits, and restarting the device. If problems persist, reinstall the app and repeat a short test before the full capture.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.